Morning all. I hope you're all doing okay at home and at school and that you've had a good week. Did you go to see the baby chicks this week in the incubator? Because the eggs that came to school have hatched and we've got some beautiful, very small yellow baby chicks that hatched. So thank you to Rachel for bringing those into school. It was great to see them. It's not been a really nice week for the weather because it's been raining a lot. So I hope you'll manage to put your coats on and get outside every now and again, despite the rain. This Friday, we will be wearing our pyjamas at school because it's Comic Relief Day. It's when we all wear red noses and we can wear something different for school. So I think we're all wearing our pyjamas this time, which will be nice. Okay, I hope you enjoy the assembly and I'll see you in a little bit.
A apple, always as tiger, male as mamana, clean as swine, blue as tree, purple as gray.
Let's talk Makaton. Sign of the week. This week's sign is excellence, excellence, excellence. Let's go.
Excellence, excellence, excellence.
So the Makaton sign didn't give us a letter this morning, it gave us a word instead. So the letter today, the task is to find as many things as you can, starting with the letter T. T. Can you find as many things as possible with the letter T? You've got 1 minute. Off you go. What did you find? I found two things this morning. One of them is behind me. So there is a table behind me. There's a table. And the other thing I found, starting with the letter T, was some tissues. What did you find?